What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release May 30th. But before we get into this review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Nike release. Here we have the Air Max 180 Ultramarine releasing May 24th. Now this pair is shipping out early on Fineline1721.com. So if you're interested in picking these up early, head over to the website. I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see, we have the plain brown box, no branding or anything of the nature, just one solid plain brown box with a punch hole in the front and the label right here on the bottom. And as you can see, we have Air Jordan 17 Retro Low SP white, lightning black, and chrome. Size 8 we're going to be taking a look at. Now to get into the box, we have like a little pull down tab here and it slides open as such. Got a little quality control sticker back there. Comes with a brown cover and the base of the box kind of folds down. Then once you fold open everything, as you can see, we're greeted with the all chrome briefcase wrapped in some bubble wrap. Now that we got it out of the bubble wrap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the briefcase. All chrome case, kind of got like the braille finish going throughout the panels with the solid chrome finish trim. And we got the Jumpman logo sitting in the middle. Taking a look at the front of the case, almost kind of look like a snakeskin handle. Got the chrome locks. Flip those up, flip this up, greeted with the styrofoam lid, all white paper. Let's go ahead and peel that back and let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 17 Low Lightning. Now the last time that this pair released was, I believe, back in 2002. And I also believe Michael Jordan wore these in the All-Star game. Now they don't come with any added accessories, no extra laces, no hang tags or anything of the nature. So let's go ahead and get right into this review. Starting off with the top down view, got like a neoprene mesh sock liner. And we also have the yellow 2-3 sitting on the black tab right here inside the sock liner. They come from the factory, all black laces, tied and tucked. Got the chrome lace eyelets right here with the Jordan branding sitting on the top. We got the Jordan tab right here at the bottom of the lace system. And going down all the way to the front, we got the yellow toe sitting on top of the black 2-3. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, got the chrome lace eyelets. We have the breathable mesh holes right here on the mid panel. And also another thing of note, the whole shoe has a premium leather tumble feel. To my knowledge, I believe the pair that came out in 2002 had more of a smooth leather upper. So it's nice to know that Jordan brand retro these with a premium touch and feel. Got the all yellow midsole, black Jumpman logo sitting on the top, black outsole, which leads us down to the bottom of the shoe, gray and yellow herringbone traction on the toe and the heel, and we got the white Jumpman logo sitting underneath the bottom. Now sitting underneath the peel strip is the nice chrome heel that wraps from the lateral side all the way to the medial side. We have Jordan in number 17 engraved into the strip as well. Now going around to the heel of the shoe, we got the all gray Jumpman logo sitting on the back. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 17 Low Lightning. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick it up early, they are shipping out on Fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same. Fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.